How good can an old-fashioned be at the airport? Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and today is certainly the most unique old-fashioned Friday we've done to date. We're not at a restaurant, not at a distillery, we're at the airport. And before I got here, I was like, should I do one at the airport? Should I not do one at the airport? Because my expectations, they can't be that high whenever you go to the airport, but it's different, so I'm like, we're gonna do it. And today we're at American Taproom, which is located in the C gate near C22, which is about 7.5 miles from the entrance to the airport. 19 escalators you'll probably go up just to get here. You guys know how this works. 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. I kind of want to do ambiance first. The restaurant itself is nice. They have a nice bar here. Lots of TVs for, you want to come here, grab a beer, watch some sporting events. Hands down, nothing to take away from the tap room itself. Beautiful place. However, it's unfortunately located in arguably the worst airport in the entire country, if not the entire world. Today we're at Dulles Airport, located in Loudoun County. I would probably give this place like a 0.8 because it's nice in here, but it's in Dulles Airport. So now we're down to like a 0.5, which is fair. Here we go, let's jump into this appearance. Hold on now. This is where it gets interesting. All right, so we got no single cube, obviously that's a problem. We have 3 cherries, which would be nice if there were 3 Luxardo cherries, but they're not Luxardo cherries. Big ass orange, all muddled too, which I'm not a fan of, so oof, this is a rough appearance. I mean, this is as rough as it gets. However, the fact that they did try to put some cherries in there and orange to make it kind of look nice, I guess, is a plus. But yeah, this might be one of the worst on appearances, which, you know, there's got to be a worse. So they do get an E for effort for attempting to make it look good. I'm gonna go 1.1. Here we go, first sip. Actually wasn't bad. It wasn't bad because I don't even think I tasted much bourbon. So this is probably the first time I've ever been speechless. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Second sip, just to confirm. It is surprisingly smooth and a little sweet. I have a feeling that the sweetness is probably resting at the top, and then I'm just gonna taste all bourbon when I get to the bottom. But the first sip actually wasn't bad. Like, I'm gonna go 2.2 first sip, and I thought this was probably gonna get like a 0.8 or 1. All right, I'm gonna pound this for overall, and then we'll get out of here. Still similar, consistent. Listen, I thought this was gonna be a terrible score. Minus the fact that they don't have a single cube, so the ice is gonna melt extremely fast. It's gonna distill the overall taste. That was extremely consistent. I'm not happy about these weird 3 cherries in here, but that was actually good. Like, not great, but it was good. I'm gonna go 2.1, 2.2, 2.1, 4.3, 0.48, 1.1, 5.9. American Taproom, Dulles International Airport, AKA IAD, arguably the worst airport to get through in the country, if not the world. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.